everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Mindy Banks, I'm the Flip Flop Chef. Today I'm going to show you how to make a mango smoothie using some carrot, ginger, and turmeric juice, orange juice, and frozen mango. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to use Pampered Chef's Deluxe cooking blender, and if you've never seen this in action, I encourage you to check out the playlist on my channel. I have lots of videos showing you how to use the Deluxe cooking blender, not just for smoothies, but for so many different things. It's a true cooking blender. It has a heating element built in, and so you can actually cook food in the blender. You can make things like soup, you can make heated purees, so like you have baby food, or you can even use it for jams and jelly, which I love using it for that. But today I'm going to show you how to make a really quick and easy smoothie. I'm going to measure the ingredients out. I typically just kind of pour in and guesstimate as I go, but today I'm going to try to measure it out so that you have a recipe to follow. So I'm going to take the Deluxe cooking blender container and I'm going to mix all of our ingredients in here. So the first thing I'm going to use is this carrot, ginger, and turmeric juice. This is made from Bolt House Farms. I get this at Aldi. I'm going to do 3/4 of a cup of this. So let me make myself a little bit more room here. 3/4 cups of the carrot, ginger, and turmeric juice. This is full of so many amazing ingredients. It actually has, this container has 34 carrots, lemon, ginger, turmeric, vitamin A, and also lots of other great things in there to help boost our immunity. All right, I'm also gonna do 3/4 of a cup of orange juice. And since I'm not used to measuring this out, we'll see if I have to add any more liquid to get the consistency that I like. So 3/4 cups of both of these. I think that's gonna be good. I'm gonna add in some frozen mango chunks. I try to use frozen fruit whenever I can so that I don't have to use ice to make my smoothie cold. Nobody wants to drink a warm smoothie, so, or whoops, I have just one little piece in there. So that's about a cup or so of frozen mango chunks. I'm gonna add a squeeze of honey. This is a local honey that my friend Kathy gave me. Thank you, Kathy. This is delicious, by the way. And I'm gonna add some Pampered Chef Pea Protein so that we have a little protein added in here. I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of our pea protein. And if you're not familiar with this, you can use this so many different ways. So just some of the ideas that are on the back of the bag. You can add this to drinks and smoothies, batters and doughs, pasta, rice, oatmeal and soup, ground meat substitutes, sauces, spreads, dressings, and dips. So this pea protein is vegan, non-GMO, gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, and it's made without nuts. This is available as a one-time purchase, or you can get this as a monthly subscription. So I have this on a subscription, so every single month, Pampered Chef sends me exactly what I need of the pea protein. All right, so I'm gonna put our lid on my blender container, transfer this over to the blender, and I'm gonna turn this to the smoothie setting and press start, and we're gonna see what we end up with here. You're gonna love this smoothie, it tastes so good. Our smoothie setting is a minute long, but I'm going to see if we have this smooth enough. I think we do, just for the sake of the noise that this makes. So this is a nice thick smoothie. You're going to transfer this over to a cool glass. I like having my flip-flop glass. Pour this in, and then you can use the heated wash cycle to clean the blender container. If you're not familiar with the heated wash cycle, you add 3 cups of water and 1 drop of dish soap to clean your blender. Set it to the heated wash cycle, and it's going to heat the water and the soap together. It's going to swish it around like a dishwasher on the inside of the blender container. When it's done, you're gonna just pour out the soapy water, rinse out the blender. You can put the lid in the top rack of the dishwasher if you wanna do that. It's easy enough to just rinse it off by hand though. So it's totally up to you how you'd like to clean it. But I hope that you'll try my immune boosting smoothie. This is mango with carrot, ginger, turmeric, and orange juice. It's delicious and I hope you enjoy it. Look forward to seeing you next time. Have a great day.